How's it, beautiful people? Dupe District here with another great dupe review. Now, today's fragrance is Lattafa fragrance and has a massive hype around it now on social media. It's called Teriyaki Intense for Men, stunning bottle, and you'll see an opening video as well. Great packaging as usual by Lattafa. Now, the smell on this, firstly, the spray, magnificent, and then the smell, of course, is just, it's awesome. Beautiful. So Teriyaki Intense is a plummy and boozy fragrance with cinnamon and saffron notes to it and has a beautiful bergamot opening that rounds off this fragrance great. Now, Teriyaki Intense is a great going out fragrance, and I wouldn't advise you to use this fragrance as a daily fragrance. You can if you want to, but the projection on Teriyaki Intense is nuclear. So what I would suggest, if you don't want to irritate the people around you in the office, don't use it. If you want to, Teriyaki Intense for Men is your fragrance. Teriyaki Intense, like I said, nuclear projection, longevity of 7 hours, and the smell is just magnificent. So for that, I will rate it a great 8 out of 10. And if you're looking to buy this and you want to blind buy Teriyaki Intense for Men, I would say yes, you can do it with a smile. Teriyaki Intense is a dupe for two different fragrances. The one is Camera, has a lot of notes of Camera into it. And then, of course, the second one is Drunk Saffron by Born to Stand Out. Beautiful fragrance, and that is Teriyaki Intense for you there, ladies and gentlemen. So, your next compliment starts here. Please like, follow, and share Dupe District.